guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can get JetBrains pack for free for students, basically using your edu mail. So an education mail is something necessary here. Basically what JetBrains is a pack for a lot of IDEs for Python, or this IDE is for Java and Kotlin. Example, here C Lion is for the C++, and the Pycharm is for Python developers and Dias basically. So this is also, I think you get also access to the Academy. So what you're going to do is going to go to for students and just like this, and you're going to go here, apply now. Buttons. I'm a student, country USA or United States, like this. I am undergraduate, basically. It's computer science or engineering major field. Yes. Now we're going to go to the email address. This is basically a real name, so it's just for educational purposes. You just click I have read and accept. I'm not under 13 years and apply for free products. Thank you. Okay, now you're going to go to the email. You basically will find a confirmation email. A confirmation. After I click the confirmation email, now you need to accept. What you need to do is use the login option using the email address, like this. You can see that I have now the One Educational Pack license. Okay, this is my license ID. I can download. See, I can download anything I want from Aqua, basically everything, and until 2026, basically a full year, and you can renew it. Yeah, so this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Just give it a like, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I have a lot of other videos coming with all the amazing offers online. You can just use it to develop yourself and and learn, be ahead, have an advantage. You can see that